Stock Screener is a stock search tool. Stock Screener allows the user to search for stocks according to various criteria, including descriptive criteria, like whether or not a stock belongs to a particular universe or sector, and fundamental and technical criteria for a particular date. Let's try to select instruments for January 1st, 2015. In the large cap 500 universe and with turnover larger than 0. Suppose that I'm only interested in companies in the industrial sector. I unselect all sectors and choose only the one I am interested in. I then want to filter companies by various criteria. In order to do this, I click Show Filters and then click Add Filter. I then select the indicator I am interested in from 4 categories: prices, actual, estimate, and technical. Let's try to select instruments based on one of the most popular indicators, the P/E ratio. This indicator is available in 2 categories, actual and estimate. The difference is that the actual category uses data from the company's latest report, while the estimate category uses data from analyst forecasts. If I am not familiar with a particular indicator, I can click More Info and read a detailed description of the indicator. I can also see the probability density function for the indicator. Let's go back to Stock Screener. In Portfolioand.Me, every indicator is rated according to how useful the indicator is for selecting more profitable shares. For the P/E indicator, for example, the rating is 1. Let's check how accurate it is. I want to select companies with a P/E of less than 15. As can be seen from the diagram, just 7 out of 57 companies in the industrial sector made it through the filter. Let's add another filter for selecting the top 5 according to expected dividend yield. We need the estimate dividend yield indicator. In order to set this filter correctly, we have to give it lower priority than the previous filter, so that one is applied after the other. To learn more about setting priorities for filters, click the Learn More button. I have set up all the filters I want to use, and now I want to see the results of the screening process. I click the Find Stocks button and flip to the results. Here, I see tickers that meet my criteria, as well as the filter values for these companies. To learn more about each company, I put the cursor over the ticker I'm interested in and click More Info. I go to the company page where I can see the company description, look at charts and information about the company, and see tables that reflect the dynamics of the company's key parameters. I go back to Stock Screener. I can see what result the portfolio comprised of stocks I selected showed based on historical data. In order to do this, I click Create Portfolio in order to switch to manual portfolio mode. I enter the name of the portfolio and the size of the position, click Create Portfolio, and continue working in manual portfolio mode.